Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to remove the front panel on your Lucca A53 direct plumb model. We have already removed our side panels and turned off the machine. The tools that we're going to use today: our Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and a deep socket wrench, the 22 millimeter. On your Lucca A53 direct plumb model, you have this twist knob, which we are going to need to remove first before we can take the front plate off. I'm going to show you the easiest way to start this process. The top cap needs to come off, and it's on there pretty tight. You want the best leverage, and I'll show you what that looks like. Applying force against the machine, just holding that front panel in place and grabbing just this outside cap, you go ahead and pull that off. It may feel that it's on there very tight. You can give it a good yank with the proper force against the machine, and you should be able to safely remove that outside cap. From here, we're going to remove this inside nut using our adjustable wrench. And this plastic piece slides right off. Set that aside. And now, using our deep socket 22 millimeter, we're going to remove this inside brass nut. Next, we're going to remove the top two screws that hold this face plate against the frame. Now we can remove the front plate. You'll notice there are still wires attached to your displays. You can just gently set that aside. Your steam wand, you'll notice, is hanging freely at this point, so just be careful with that piece. That's how to remove the front panel on your Lucca A53 direct plumb model. For your Lucca A53 Mini, the steam wand, there's a small knob that can twist off, and that front faceplate can remove a little bit easier. For more information on using your machine, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.